Hello everyone, welcome back to Aaron Analytics. My name is Dr. Aniket and in this video we are going to discuss about two important tools that are required in our Python learning journey. Whenever we start learning a new programming language, few questions automatically pop up in our mind. The first one, why should we learn this programming language? And the second, where to start. In our previous video, we have answered the why. If you have missed that interesting video, the link is given in the description. Now, in this video, we are going to discuss about the two important tools you must know when you start learning a Python. The Anaconda Navigator and the Jupyter Notebook. Without knowing these two tools, your Python learning journey is incomplete. So let's start the video. The Anaconda Navigator is a toolbox or a Python distribution that has pre-installed libraries for scientific computing. For example, in data science, we have Numpy, Pandas, Matplotlib or SKlearn. In web development, we have Flasks or Django. In web scraping, we have Request or Beautiful Soup. It means that if you have to use these libraries in your code, you don't have to install them. Now, what if you have to use a library which is not installed? The Anaconda Navigator comes with a package manager called as Conda. Conda helps us to install additional libraries and managing Python environments. Let's discuss about the Jupyter Notebook. The Anaconda Navigator comes with the two popular applications to write the Python code, the Jupyter Notebook and the Spider IDE, from which the Jupyter Notebook is mostly preferred by the beginners because of its several fantastic features like interactive environment and mixed content. In Jupyter Notebook, we can write a code in small and manageable chunks, so we can execute the result immediately. This helps us to experiment with the code step by step, which makes our Python learning journey exciting. Secondly, we can include formatted text, equations, and images with the code.
So you can see here, this is the Jupyter Notebook interface. We can toggle between code, markdown, and heading here. Let's start with the heading. Quickly copy this text and paste it here. Run this cell. This is an example of heading. Now let's see how does the equation work. Copy this text, make this cell as a markdown and paste it here. Then run this cell. And this is an example of equation. Now let's see how does an image we can insert. Paste it here. Make this cell as a markdown and go to edit. We have an option of image. Insert image here. Insert this image and click on OK. Now run this cell also. And that's amazing. Now finally you can write the code also. Copy this code, make this cell as a code, paste it here, add these two things and run it. So that's how you can add formatted text, equation, images and code in the same file. Let's quickly see how to download and install Anaconda Navigator. Search download Anaconda Navigator on Google. Click on free download. You will land on the official website of Anaconda distribution. Then click on this download button. Your download will start. So the download has been completed. You can see it here. Now let's start the installation process. Double click on this thing. Wait for a few seconds. Let it load. Okay. So let's click on next. I agree. Install for just me. Select the destination folder. The space required is 5.7 GB. Space I have 27 GB available right now. Click on create start menu shortcut. This is not recommended. Then clear the package cache, let it be, or you can click it also, install. So it will take some time. process has been completed. Click on Next. Everything you love about Anaconda now available from the cloud with Anaconda's fully loaded Jupyter Notebook. No setup required. Get started for free. Click on Next. Launch Anaconda Navigator. Click on Finish. So the installation has been completed. You can search for Anaconda Navigator. Let it load. It's initializing now. Loading user. And this is the first interface. You have data spell, Anaconda Notebook, Jupyter Notebook, PowerShell prompt, Spider. Now launch the Jupyter Notebook. So here it is. So this is the first interface for Jupyter Notebook. You can click on New and Python 3 to open a new notebook. So this is your first notebook. Rename it and okay, it shows that file name exists. So you can start writing code. This is your first code. Enter. Print hello. Hello. Everyone. Welcome to ARN Analytics. Run the code. That's it. Print.